Making money on Etsy is one of the easiest side hustle that anyone could really find. And in today's video, I want to share with you a make money idea that you can use today to start making ridiculous money on Etsy. Guys, we're in the era right now where YouTube automation is just booming right now. And if you look at the vidIQ right now, you can see that this keyword is simply a gold mine. Now, I want to go head over to my screen and show you some facts that you can see that this is a gold mine, an opportunity that you should jump on right now and start selling right now on Etsy. Let's head over to my screen so that I can show you how to make money with Etsy using YouTube automation. So guys, on my screen here, you can see that I'm inside vidIQ, right? And I type in the keyword YouTube automation. Have a look at this. The competition is super low and over 1 million in search result. Now you can come here and you can see that you can check out YouTube automation. This is highly searched for, very low competition. This is a gold mine that people should tap into right now and start making. And with YouTube automation so popular right now, you can simply contributing by helping people who are interested within making YouTube channels and doing YouTube automation. And you're wondering, how can I make money by helping people? Guys, you can simply create some YouTube automation prompts. Let me show you something, guys. If you head over to Etsy and type ChatGPT prompts, you can see a lot of different prompts that people are selling and how much money they're actually making, right? So if I'll come down here, guys, have a look at this. This person is selling ChatGPT prompts, right? You can see that they make over 2,000 and something sales, 2,000 and something sales, right? And they are selling ChatGPT prompts. And this is a digital download and this is a PDF file. So you can easily jump on this and generate prompts by utilizing ChatGPT to come up with some really prompts for YouTube automation. Now guys, for all of those people who are interested right now within YouTube automation, they are definitely looking for various ways, various prompts how to make YouTube automation work the best for them. And creating those ChatGPT prompts are a massive help in doing that. I am doing it personally for myself, and I found myself heading over to Etsy at times buying prompts as well. So you can definitely make money by doing this. All you have to do, use ChatGPT to create some prompts, compile your list of ChatGPT prompts, head over to Etsy, create your store, and start offering ChatGPT prompts as a product for people to buy. Guys, you saw on my screen, vidIQ right now is showing that YouTube automation is booming right now. It is a gold mine, and you want to utilize this opportunity and start tapping into the YouTube automation niche, selling products on Etsy, and you can definitely make a lot of money online. Now, I really hope this open up your mind and give you some ideas what you can do and how you can make money right now on Etsy. And if you found some value, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to see much more money making videos coming out every single week, just like this one. See you next time.